Alright, so I took a brief sabbatical last week because I had better things to be doing. Um, and we've come back into it and pretty much had a very similar day to what we have been having. Some ups, some downs, break even today. So we're looking for follow through, we're looking for a breakout here, broken above the opening range high. We're conscious of that 200 EMA there, so we chopped this, we got out of it in profit. We didn't stick in it for too long just because the market's looking a little bit choppy and it was very choppy today. So in hindsight, we actually did quite well considering how choppy it was. But yeah, so we bounced off the 200 EMA, had a bit of a pullback, and now we are just looking for that breakout. As usual, we didn't wait for the candle to close before we jumped into it, however, and if we'd have waited for the candle to close, we wouldn't have gotten into this because we would have seen that it was just a fake out to the upside and it's just come crashing back down. So yeah, just one of those things, the usual Nasdaq nonsense. So we've definitely not missed this kind of price action, but unfortunately, this is all we were really getting today. Just not really a whole lot going on. So yeah, it just is what it is. As the market's pushing to the downside, we actually took this one looking at the 10-second chart. This isn't the 10-second chart, but we were using the 10-second chart. We had a bear flag on the 10-second chart, and we hopped in and sort of moved our stop on the way down. So this was a nice one. Finally, a little bit of momentum after quite a bit of chop. And so again, on the 1 minute chart, below all the EMAs, we've had that push down. A little bit of a bear flag being formed, and we're now starting to break. So, part stop above the highs. Not too much momentum just yet. Still struggling to get going. Um, but it does start to move. Blessedly, it does start to move down. We're able to capitalise on that. Yeah. Yeah, so another decent trade there. So we're looking for some further downside. We've got that break of the lows there. Previous lows broken. Just a poor entry because the market's obviously starting to rip back to the upside, and it does. It comes all the way back up, which is a shame to say the least. It is what it is, though. There's not really a lot that we can do about that. Yeah, so it is what it is. So again, I got that bull flag playing out. This feels like a different. It feels a bit different. This is weird. I feel like this is a different time in the day. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, big long previous wick, and yeah, market's just not going. It's just not moving. It's just not seemingly able to move with any pace. It's just lost all its momentum, all its speed. So it was a really slow moving day today. Unfortunately, it just really wasn't doing a whole lot. Yeah. Yeah, so a break-even day it was.